Today we'll be focusing on the IT sector, especially with the emerging trends and how the key stakeholders within that particular sector are faring on and how they're inculcating it to giving some of the solutions not only to the trainees but also to the companies they work closely with. Joining us this afternoon is none other than Philip Ochieng, the Director of Programs at Softtech Solutions Limited. Philip, good afternoon and welcome.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
And maybe we start on that particular note. How is the IT sector faring on where you sit?
Thank you. Philip Ochieng is my name.
Yes.
The Director of Programs Softtech Solutions, which is a leading IT integrated certification trainings, a BPO, that is the call center and enabled solution services. The IT sector, as it is now, is improving because of the technologies that are advancing and because of the government support in terms of enabling the skills growth for the youths. This promotes actually adoptability of the new technologies in the market.
And maybe talk to us about some of the solutions you offer to the trainees and the companies that you work closely with. But as you're implementing those solutions, what are some of the challenges you have encountered along the way?
Thank you. In terms of the solutions that we are offering, we have a wide variety in terms of certification trainings, which cuts across various cadres. We have those that have just graduated from universities outside looking for jobs. Yes. There is the beginner level certifications, and these we've partnered with CompTIA, international vendor, to be able to give them the skill growth from the beginning. Then we also have the professionals that are already in the market. There are various certification courses that we offer through the Cert Nexus, that is on the AI, and also on the cyber security from the PCB as a vendor, because we are an authorized training partner for these certifications. The major challenges that we normally face in offering these training solutions to our various partners is the absorption and adoptability of these new technologies, especially in the areas to do with the cyber security and AI for the public and at large the financial institutions, because people look at it in terms of maybe replacing jobs or maybe it will reduce the workforce, but actually AI is to enhance the processes of a company so that at least they are able to do it efficiently and so much in a short period as it ought to have been before. So it's an enhancement of technology for various institutions.
And given that you have been in this field for a number of years, when it comes to absorption of not only the graduates who have left school just the other day, but other people who are still tarmacking till today and they have studied this particular course, what are some of those issues that have crippled the sector not to absorb these individuals?
Very true, especially the ones that have already finished their colleges and their tarmacking. In the university, they might have done the basic degree in IT-related module. But now, this is where now we come in with the professional certification trainings that are job-geared in the market. So after they have done their basic undergraduate bachelor's, now they come to the professional level of certifications where they can either do a Microsoft certification that is on the AI, on the cloud. They can either do cyber security either through our PCB or EC Council as a vendor that we offer. They can do networking. So it all depends with an individual area of interest. The challenges that they normally face, especially for individuals that are not employed, they don't know the right channel actually on which specific category they would pursue in order to get employment. And that's why at Softtech, what we normally do, we start with the beginner levels of certification trainings. And after that, we are able to absorb them in our call center business so that they are able to gain the experience. We offer them internship for either 3 or 6 months, depending on the specific project that we're having on the call center. And after that, they can be able to be absorbed in the market. And this one actually, we appreciate the government of Kenya, especially through the Ministry of ICT, through ICT Authority, as we partner with them, because through that channel, we have been able to actually offer technological trainings to the youth actually for free, so that they are able to get to know what the market currently requires and how are they to be positioned well for the current job needs in the market.
Because this sector is rapidly growing and ever changing every single day. How do we move those particular learners that you teach and they are taught in various institutions to move away from seeking the white collar jobs instead of innovating in this particular sector?
Thank you. And this is why at SoftTech Solutions, we come up with innovative solution technologies that they are able, the participants or the graduates, they are able to use these innovation skills that they have learned from the handheld instructor-led classes or the virtual trainings that we do, so that they can be able to create their own innovative or they can be able to promote their own business in their own way other than waiting to get employed. They themselves can be able to use these skills that they have gained to come up with a business scenario that can be able to support themselves or can be able to support their organization. And that's why for professionals, there's a body that is called the Association of Computing Practitioners Kenya, ACPK. And this is a forum for all the professionals where they are able to, we share the ideas, the new technologies that are there, the new trends that are coming up. How do we encounter this kind of breaches that are happening in the government, especially in terms of data breaches and all that. So there's a forum where we share this, and I would encourage all professionals to join the ACPK.
And of course, as we conclude this conversation, as a country and as an IT guy, have we embraced fully AI?
As a country, first, as of now, we are in that process. We are in the developing stages of embracing it fully. As I mentioned before, there's challenges in people accepting this new technology, that is the AI and the cybersecurity. People have not embraced it fully, and that's why we ask them to come for the training. Also to join through the cybersecurity trainings that we offer through the ICT Authority. With this, they'll be able to get skills that will be able to help them. And as a country, once we embrace these things, will flow seamlessly. And we welcome all of them at SoftTech Solutions, because this is where we give all the innovative technological trainings, certifications, and call center all at one go.
Thank you so much. That is Philip Ochieng, the Director of Programs at SoftTech Solutions Limited. Thank you, Philip, for making time for us. And there you have it. That is how the IT sector is faring on, especially with the emerging trends that the world is facing in the face of artificial intelligence.